Today we're here to talk about something very, very important, and the insurance industry is on the forefront of this topic and of this issue of distracted driving. We decided to do something about it at the Travelers Insurance Company and to take on this issue head on. We're raising awareness, and we've had a number of these symposiums throughout the United States and Canada, and we intend to continue.
Claims costs continue to go up, and one of the key reasons for that is distracted driving and the costs associated with distracted driving. Part of the research that I've done leads me to believe that although people are aware of the rules, they're aware of the penalties, they're aware of the laws, they're not following them. I think we all see that in our everyday lives. So why is that? Partly, I would argue that I think that people aren't so concerned about getting caught, about facing a penalty.
We also have to think about the distractions that are internal to the vehicle. So you have a child in the back seat in a car seat that drops something and wants you to pick it up right away. You have that kind of distraction internal to the vehicle, but you also have distractions outside, billboards, signage, that kind of thing. So there's lots of distractions that can take your attention away from the business of driving your vehicle.
In the traffic world, we say there's three components to a good traffic plan, and that includes education, enforcement, and engineering, and I think they all apply here. A lot of employers, they have policies and things like that, but one of the things that they do lack is the training side. They have to educate their people on what the impacts of distracted driving are.
Learn more at travelersinstitute.org.